Hello fellow traders, an update for the natural gas. Technically where the low is in, at least that's what the array says. This week is a direction change. Then we have a low on the 29th, and then moving on the 13th, and a panic on the 20th. So technically, I think we still might have a bit of a direction change today. Move a little bit down or you might take out the high of this low bar. So pay attention on the hourly level. We're still enough time to move down, but on a daily and a weekly we might see a significant move up, and we did have as a lowest for April. We have panic in June all the way into August. So I think the low is in. Just watch on the daily. Might not be in yet, but if we hold Friday's low and take out the high on the 16, I think we have a chance to be a long trade.